Hi everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable easy mode on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the Settings option. Here you can see the easy mode option. Simply tap on it. Finally, tap on the Enable option at the bottom of your screen to turn on easy mode. This will simplify the interface, making it easier to use. And that's it. This is how you can enable easy mode on WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.